Learn 30 daily use English sentences in. What time do you awake? We set the alarm at 4. Thanks for your invitation. Let's go by bus. Glad to see you. Okay, see you next. It's my pleasure. It's very pleasant today. The sky is overcast. There is no room in this train. He is not in good health. The medicine is very bitter. I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you. It doesn't matter. What did this house cost you? Please count the money. That's all. Please make the bill. Patch up your disputes. We should help the poor. Why are you so sad? What do you want? What do you want to see? Who do you want to see? He came in the nick of time. He is on leave these days. What brings you here? I don't have any complaint. Keep it to yourself. Don't put a hex on me. If you like the video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe.